Eirwariro hirwe za water dispensers zitirwa mu ruwoda Eirwariro abarwaire baragumene batungamiza habwabusha ahakire kona.
The shortage of drinking water at Fort Portal Hospital is a challenge to the patients who need this water to help them on their path to recovery and the hospital staff as they go about dispensing the much needed medical health care to the community.
Beatrice batamuruzo rukora nka administrator w'Eirwariro nagira ngo amizi g'abarwaire babire no bagatekero mbinika.
And you know how the kettle, how long it takes, and then when water is boiled, how long is it going to take to cool down so that a patient can take? Because there are those who want cold water, there are those who want warm water.
Okurugira hari batamuruzo kutekera mizo mbinika kibire n'ekitwaro obwire bwingi kandi otireho n'okuraha aho kugira ngo babire no batekera abantu nyamwingi.
It is also time consuming because if I have 20 patients in the unit and they all want drinking water, that kettle can only boil like 2 liters of water, and we have 1 kettle per unit.
Eirwariro niritunga abarwaire abarikurenga 320 buri izooba kuruga mu districts nka Kasese, Bunyangabo, Fort Portal, Kabarore, Kamwenje, Kyenjojo, Kyegegwa, Ntoroko hamwe na bundi bujo. Okurugira arpota ya water for people yakozirwe mu mwaka gw'2017 mu district ya Kamwenje ahabya amizi hamwe n'ebyobuyonjo mu marwariro ekashanga ngo ibura ry'amizi marunjo mu marwariro kikaba nikitamagara g'abarwaire abashaho hamwe n'abantu abehinguririza amarwariro omu kabuko kwatwa endwara zitari zimwe na zimwe.
To try and bridge the water accessibility gap, the United Nations put in place the Sustainable Development Goal, or SDGs, and specifically SDG number 6.
Report ni emwe nereka ngo hamarwariro nkaga nabera gahicurweho omu district ejo obucweka 87 gakaba gine emyanya yo kwihaho amizi marungi n'obukirabe kiri ngo kugahikaho kikaba kihindukira mino ga ruguru. Gashakwa John Ntsingwire.